Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going today to show you how you change the battery in your key for your Ford Transit Connect. This is from a 2009 model, the useless crappy keys from Ford, but nonetheless I'm going to show you how to change the battery in yours. All we need to do this is just a flathead screwdriver. That's all you need to do this. You see on the back side of your key you have a hole there, shape. You just stick the screwdriver in the hole and bend carefully up. Then you get an opening here. Then you just pull it apart, like that. And then you have the remote only. You have a flap over up here and the other one on the other side. You just lift those both up. You can use your nail or just a screwdriver. Okay, just lift it a little. And the same on this side. Just lift it a little. Now it's open. Now you just lift it straight up. And you have the remote itself and the battery in the bottom. This battery is a 2032 battery, and we are going to change it. All you actually need is just use your screwdriver, put it down underneath the battery carefully, and then just lift straight up the battery without damaging anything. It's a little tricky, it has very good claws. There we go. It's a little tricky, but it come out in the end. Yes, and you have a plus sign here. You're just showing which way it's supposed. The plus sign must stand upwards, the minus to the bottom. We have a brand new 2032 battery here. Just place it in with the minus side down, facing down. Just press it carefully in, and there you have it, back in action. Then you take the remote, just place it together and just clamp it together, like so. Then you take the bottom part, just slide it straight in and click. And there you have it. That's how you change the battery on your 2009 Ford Transit key. Yes. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please comment in the comment section, give likes, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.